Today I am reviewing the Bonnor Stand Mixer 6 Cutie Kitchen Mixer with LED Smart Touchscreen. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you love baking or cooking at home, the Bonnor Stand Mixer 6 Cutie is a game changer that can make your kitchen experience both faster and more enjoyable. Designed for both beginners and experienced bakers, this mixer combines power, precision, and convenience into one stylish appliance, and it's perfect for whipping, mixing, kneading, and everything in between. The first thing that stands out about this mixer is its LED Smart Touchscreen. With 4 one-touch smart programs, kneading dough, whipping cream, mixing batter, and stirring ingredients, anyone can bake like a pro. The top-mounted control panel means you no longer have to bend down or strain to operate the mixer. Just tap your choice on the screen, and the machine gets to work. Whether it's kneading dough for fresh bread, whipping cream for a cake, or mixing batter for cookies, every step is smoother and easier. Another feature that makes the Bonnor Stand Mixer special is its one-touch timer. This allows you to set the mixing time with the simple dual button and knob controls, then step away while the mixer handles the rest. No more hovering by the counter or worrying about overmixing. This intelligent feature ensures precise results every time, freeing you up to focus on other tasks in the kitchen. Power is another area where this mixer shines. Equipped with a 660-watt pure copper motor, it delivers 50% more power compared to standard mixers, effortlessly handling heavy dough, thick cream, and even tough ingredients. Combined with 360-degree planetary mixing, the mixer ensures that every bit of your ingredients is thoroughly blended, giving you smooth, even, and professional results. It even includes overheat protection for up to 30 minutes of continuous mixing, and the triple noise reduction design with suction cups reduces noise by 20%, giving you a quieter and more enjoyable baking experience. Versatility is key in the kitchen, and the Bonnor mixer doesn't disappoint. It offers 11 precise speed settings, from slow kneading to fast whipping, and also includes a pulse function for instant bursts of power. This allows you to break lumps, scrape the bowl clean, or adjust textures in seconds. Whether you're preparing light and airy meringues, thick cookie dough, or hearty bread dough, this mixer adapts to your needs with ease. The included accessories make this mixer truly all-in-one. It comes with a dough hook, whisk, and stirrer, all made from aircraft-grade aluminum, which is lightweight yet durable. Knead dough with the hook, whip cream with the whisk, or mix batter with the stirrer. The wide ingredient inlet and removable baffle allow you to add ingredients like sugar, butter, or milk while the mixer is running, so you never have to stop the process. Durability and reliability are another strong point. The Bonnor Stand Mixer comes with a 7-year warranty, so you can purchase with confidence. The company also offers responsive customer service to assist with any issues, ensuring a worry-free experience for home bakers. Finally, the design of the mixer is both functional and attractive. The 6-quart stainless steel bowl is spacious enough for large batches, and the bright green finish adds a fun and modern touch to your kitchen. Whether you're baking for your family, hosting a party, or preparing desserts for a special occasion, this mixer is up to the task. In summary, the Bonnor Stand Mixer 6 Cutie is a versatile, powerful, and user-friendly kitchen appliance. With its LED smart touchscreen, one-touch timer, 11 speed settings, planetary mixing, and durable accessories, it makes baking and cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced baker, this mixer helps you achieve professional quality results right in your own kitchen, making it a perfect gift or addition to any culinary space.